front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. You need to start by exiting Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Then download this free app from this developer and select Open. Following that, wait for the pop-ups and choose while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using, allow. Then swipe up and choose Home button. Now you need to access device's settings and click on Apps section over here. From here, tap on Default Apps, select Home app and choose iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Lastly, tap on Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my HONOR. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and choosing HONOR Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!